Yes Bank hit 52-week high by reaching over rupees 20 per share. Is it worth investing? Hello everyone, I'm Rakshit Pai, and in this video we'll try to understand why Yes Bank reached 52-week high and if it is time for us to buy. Before going into the video, I want you all to know about ET Money Genius. It's a membership program for you to subscribe to in order to get professional money management done all in one place. More on ET Money Genius at the end of this video. If interested, check the link in the description. Let's get started. Why did the Yes Bank rally 15% intraday? As you all know, Yes Bank rallied 15% intraday to reach a 52-week high of Rs 20.5 per share. Eventually, it did come down a bit, but is now valued at 19.7 per share. But why did it rally so high? The credit goes to those who gave credit. Let me explain. On July 22nd of this year, two private equity firms, CARLYLE and Advent, proposed a deal to invest around $1 billion in the bank. Essentially, the two private equity firms will invest 3,600 and 3,900 crores respectively and will loan close to 10% of Yes Bank. This deal comes after the Yes Bank's plans to invest around 350 crores in JC Flowers. JC Flowers has won the bid to take over Yes Bank's bad loan book, which is worth approximately 48,000 crores. What happened here is that over the years, Yes Bank has made some faulty loan disbursements. You can also call it a fraud-based loan disbursement due to the then corrupt senior management who are at fault. And here we are. So now Yes Bank has plans to move its bad loans to an entity called Asset Reconstruction Company or ARC. If you want to know more about ARC, check out this video. Moving on, JC Flowers was one such entity that bid for Yes Bank's bad loans, and in return, Yes Bank will pick up 19.99% of the stake in the said ARC. What does this transaction mean for Yes Bank? So following the completion of JC Flowers' ARC transaction, Yes Bank's NPA, meaning the non-performing asset, will come down from its current high of 13% to 2%. As you are aware, NPA is bank's equivalent of cancer. It is very difficult to recover from and it just kills the bank's ability to survive. Yes Bank was in trouble with over 10% NPA. Guess what? Getting the bad loans off the books was the only viable option. In fact, it is said that the loan accounts were full of fraud and other problematic accounts, and the recovery would have been a challenging task. The bank had already provisioned for over 80% of the total loan value, which is now been transferred to JC Flowers. Yes Bank may be able to not only survive but also thrive in the future as a result of this agreement. Why are PE firms investing in Yes Bank? After moving the bad loans out of Yes Bank's books, the bank can start a new journey. It's something like cleaning a clogged water pipe. Now Yes Bank can lend fresh money to make more money. Well, that's the core business of banking businesses, right? So the private lender Yes Bank is planning to raise $1 billion to boost its capital base. Thus comes the two private equity firms. These are US-based private equity firms that will invest more than $1 billion in Yes Bank for the stakes of more than 10%. CARLYLE is a global investment firm with deep industry knowledge that uses private capital in three business segments, which are global private equity, global credit, and global investment solutions. Advent International, on the other hand, is one of the largest and most experienced global private equity investors. The firm has invested in over 395 private equity investments across 41 countries and as of March 2022 had $75.9 billion in asset under management. So now you can understand their interest in investing in one of India's most tech-savvy banks. India is the future. They understand it and want a piece of the cake. Should you invest in Yes Bank? I have invested in Yes Bank a long time ago and the majority of my holdings are locked until March 2023. I intend to hold on to my shares for a long time. But those who came in to rescue Yes Bank in 2020 those big banks can offload their holdings after March 2023. And if they do, such free float equity will surely crash the stock price. So my advice to those considering purchasing Yes Bank right now is don't hurry. If you wish to buy Yes Bank shares, I suggest you wait until March 2023. Those already owning the Yes Bank shares should not go ahead and sell them if they believe that the bank could retake its previous position as one of India's largest private sector bank. Remember, we are in this for a long term. With this, I recall Mr. Peter Lynch's remark where he said that he made most of his money from his investments during the 7th, 8th and 9th years of investments. Only with such commitment can we ever make money in the stock market. I hope the video was informative. Please like, share and subscribe. Now let's see what ET Money Genius is all about. Hi there. Do you take stock tips, invested in them, lost money? Well, instead of repeating the same mistake, earn better returns by subscribing to ET Money Genius. ET Money Genius will understand your risk profile and suggest different investment options for varying time periods, thus helping you build a very well diversified portfolio. High quality stocks that yield better returns are chosen so that you need not wait for years. So what is the expected return? Well, if you had invested as per the ET Money Genius high growth stock strategy for any 7 years in the last 15 years, you would have earned 22.4% CAGR. The wait ends here because with no additional work, you can earn a wonderful return just by subscribing to ET Money Genius membership. Check the link in the description. Thank you for watching.